Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do this tutorial right here. We played with all of the new BH Cosmetic stuff that I picked up. We tried the Waffle contour and highlight palette. We tried one of the truffle blush palettes. We tried the cotton candy eye palette, and I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I knew I would be, but it literally exceeded all of expectations. I can't wait till you guys see how blendable and pigmented this palette actually is. I cannot wait to play with the other ones. This is the first one that I've played with. But we're going to go ahead and jump in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And just so you guys can kind of get a look. I didn't really do a close-up later, so you guys can see. This is what it looks like. My eyeliner, I was having a bad eyeliner day. But this is the look. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Hey loves, let's get started. So I already have my foundation on. All I have on is the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Bali. This shade is really good for me when I'm kind of in between being self-tan and being super fair. It'll do for today. I have new brushes too. I'm gonna dip into the Essential Eyes kit because it's got my favorite blender brush in there. We're gonna start with that. Oof, where are you, you beautiful bean? They changed it. It does not. Are you the same? It looks skinnier. Maybe I just need to break it in. I think we're mainly gonna be working with the cotton candy palette today. I'm going to use the Cut Crease canvas in Halo, the white shade, all over my lid as my primer. I'm going to go ahead and go right in on top of that. I'm not going to set it or anything, and see how that goes. This is what the cotton candy palette looks like. Look at that palette. This was the one that I saw and I was like, I need this one. I need it. I'm gonna use, I think, a few shades out of here. We're just gonna go crazy. But I do think I want to start with Confection, which is this beautiful baby purple right here. I'm gonna kind of tap it at first because I want it to be real pigmented. And I am going to kind of blend it across the lid. I want it to be our transition shade for the other purples I'm going to lay down. Yes, that blended pretty stinking easily. I'm just going to take a face powder. I'm just using the cream shade out of this contour palette to just kind of place on the brow bone to set that so that the edges will blend a little more seamlessly. Look how cute they are. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh my goodness, look how cute this brush is. Look at how stinking cute. There's little sprinkles. So cute. This is like a little tapered blender. We'll try Sugar Plum on the outer corner. So I'm gonna go with this guy first, and then we are gonna go with this one. Okay, so I'm going to kind of lay that down right in this corner. I'm gonna take it about halfway. Oh my goodness, that pigment though. That pigment though. I really love BH Cosmetics brushes too. They're literally some of my favorites, the ones I use all the time. That Essential Eyes kit is such a good deal and such a solid set. I need to order the rest of these palettes. I'm already in love. Already stinking smitten kitten. I'm gonna go back with my first brush and that first color, Confection, and just kind of buff those edges because I don't want to lose that shade. I like the look of it kind of blending out into this lighter purple. Okay, now we're going to try some of this guy, which is Light and Airy. Oh my goodness, she's cute. And that one we're going to kind of place right. Look at that pigment. Oh my gosh, you guys. I feel like it's been so long since I've been this excited about palettes. And these ones just, ooh girl. Ooh girl. She's freaking pigmented. I'm obsessed. This makes you want to wear bright shadow all the time. I'm going to use one side for one shade and the other side for the other shade. So I'm going to go back into Sugar Plum. Just kind of blend it in. Back into Confection. I feel like I'm just going to be slowly going back again and again. And just buffing all these edges. Oh my gosh, it's so intense. I kind of love it though. I think I'm gonna take a little more of Light and Airy, this shade right here. Oh wait, no. I wanted Sugar Plum. Oh well, we'll mix those. We're gonna mix them, but I'm gonna just bring it down onto the lid, not here. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. We're gonna do a big old bright cut crease. I think this is the first time in forever I've actually willingly paid full price on BH Cosmetics because stuff goes on sale all the time unless it's brand new. $18. Steep, but freaking worth it. I'm obsessed. I should not be talking while I'm trying to do this because I just keep messing it up. I know I want Twirl in the inner corner, so I'm just gonna start with that. Twirl is this hot pink right here. Oh, cotton candy eyeballs. I'm living. I'm gonna do Sugar, which is this guy right here. Tap it. I'm gonna go back in with a brush to get it kind of right in the right places, but I'm gonna start with that. Just working. Oh my god. Okay, it's working now. I guess part of this is gonna be a voiceover. Okay, we're gonna use this guy, which is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in Pyro. Anyway, I'm just dragging this along that cut crease. It just adds a little something something. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my inner corner with the AOA Loose Pigment in Orb. I'm gonna put just a little bit up here. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of Ciate black liner. Any black liner will do. I'm just gonna put it down here. Whoop, and smudge it out. I'm gonna go in and do a wing really quick. I'm gonna speed through it because I'm terrible at showing you and I need to get a new liner. I hate this one, but I'm gonna do a wing. Since this look is just like extra, we're gonna take this NYX Glitter Goals glitter liner in Stage Trooper, I believe. I love putting this over a black wing. That wing is a hot mess. I'm excited to finally try some of these new lashes from BH Cosmetics. These are their Silk False Eyelashes. That might be the style. I'm not sure. I'll figure it out and put it below. Anyway, I'm gonna pop on some mascara in these lashes and then we will finish up the face and the lips. I'll be right back. All right, so we've got our lashes on. The band is a little bit thick. I feel like I should have wiggle wormed them longer. And I trimmed them, but I couldn't find my scissors, so I ran upstairs and trimmed them and didn't trim them quite enough. So they are kind of poking me, but they're really pretty. But we're gonna go ahead and look how cute this is. All their stuff is so cute right now. Oh my gosh, all their newer stuff. This is their Belgian Waffle 6-color Baked Bronzer and Highlighter Palette. Wow, these are really pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This is gonna be a really great contour kind of bronzer. And then I think this is gonna be my jam. Okay, so again, it has a mirror. Ugh, everything wins when it's got a mirror with me. We're gonna go with Batter. I'm just gonna, definitely pulls a little warmer than I would like, but I expected it to be warm for some reason. I feel like BH Cosmetics bronzers tend to be pretty warm, but it's really nice and soft. It's not super harsh. Blending really beautifully, in my opinion. I like a harsh contour, so you can obviously use a lighter hand. if you would like to. For blush, I got one of these little blush palettes. This is Vanilla Cream Truffle. Let's go with this baby pink one right here. We're gonna use one of those brushes from the little Sprinkles palette kit. What? I can't think straight now. Oh, it smells good. Oh, she pigmented. More pigmented than I expected. Oh, I like it. This is smaller than I thought it would be, but that's okay. We're gonna go back into the Belgian Waffle powdered sugar. This is buttermilk. This is powdered sugar. Oh, she looks gorgeous. Oh. Yes, this is a really big highlighter brush, but that's fine because I want a glowy cheek. I'll flip it over and just kind of blend that. I'm gonna tap it out with my sponge. Let's do a little extra up here. Oh, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I really feel like Chauffeur is gonna be perfect with this. I know you guys are probably sick of Chauffeur, but I feel like it's just gonna be so good with this. So I'm gonna do Lay Down the Mauves by Wet n Wild and then light my lip a little bit and put on Chauffeur and maybe a little bit of chocolate chip cookie dough. I feel like it's gonna be the perfect light pinky nude. A little bit of chocolate chip cookie dough by I Heart Revolution, the best. All right, love, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh my goodness, I am seriously so impressed with all of these things. I already knew I love BH Cosmetics brushes, so I'm not surprised that I absolutely love these. That little tiny blender that's like a tapered blender in that sprinkle kit is so good. I'm gonna do a full haul, which you probably have already seen before this video, where I will show you everything closer up, so I'll be sure to link that down below. But let me know if you guys want more tutorials with these palettes. They look beautiful, but they literally exceeded all expectations. Like, I knew they were gonna be good. I tend to really like BH Cosmetics products, but not always. And honestly, seriously recommend all of them. I feel like I love that highlight's gorgeous. I really like the contour. I feel like it's like the softest contour I've had in a really long time, but I kind of really like it. And those palettes, that pigment is insane. If you're looking at any of those palettes, definitely grab them. I'll be sure to link everything down below. They will be just like magic links, affiliate links, I'm sure. So you can use them if you want to support this channel. If not, it's cool. But yeah, I paid for all of these myself and I'm literally obsessed. Wow. All right, loves, well, I think that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, share it if you could, and please subscribe if you haven't already. We do beauty, plus size fashion, vlogs, all the stuff and all the things. But if you're into it, let's be friends. Subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Hey loves, welcome back to my I said that way too excitedly. Let's be friends. Bring it back down. I am obsessed. She cutie, look at the little butter. The butter is in heart shape. So cute. Ugh, so cute. Oh, there's a bug on it. Holy. How did that even get in there? Where did it go? How did that bug even get in there? Wait, I don't know where that little buggy is. Pink's got my booty. You got my booty. Subscribe. Come on. Yay. Okay.